Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't have an intro, so let's get straight into the video. So I've been thinking, since I love drawing and animating so much. Yes, I love animating. I know. I use an app for the ones that I posted, but like I'm still in school, I barely have time for myself. I also want to apologize for the aspect ratio of the video. I don't know why it's this narrow. No, don't judge me. I haven't drawn in like 2 years, so I'm very rusty. Anyways, I have decided to challenge myself by recreating some digital art I found on Google. So I thought, let me do Chucky. I apologize if I sound boring. I am not the type who like to talk, but I don't know. Anyways, so I'm a fan of scary, creepy things, so you won't see any butterflies on rainbows on this channel. Before I forget, I have this drawing to show you guys. Like, bro, look at this masterpiece. Just ignore Chris, but just look. I know it's not perfect, but come on. I drew this for our Instagram competition, and by the little buzz, some of you probably can tell. I didn't follow the instructions, I guess, and guess where that led me? Losing 9 hours drawing this.
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I just explained the reason.
What was the reason, bitch?
Same thing me, I won the party. Kinda hurt though. So like, if you guys like and share this video, it will make me feel a little better and make up for the loss. Guys, I actually have some stories and my sister's stories that I can basically steal off Wattpad and like give them read a chapter to you in each video. So tell me if you guys want to hear stories instead of me talking, or you want me to talk about school or life stories. I won't tell my embarrassing moments though, cause those still haunt me up to this day. Maybe like when me graduate, me can tell you that. I actually changed a lot of things off camera, like look at the nose, the lip. I had to change the outline of the face. Yo, when me I draw this year, me I say, why lip they look like beak. I was so embarrassed. I was actually going to give up and me say, just trust the process. I know, so you never really have no lip though, so don't blame me. I did literally just one line. Me I talk too much and I can just mute it. But my little makeshift camera stand was doing me no justice. So I didn't actually get all the drawings on the camera, all the process. I actually went off the camera to do the shadings, which gave me a lot of work. Cause like me told already semi rusty, so please don't judge me. I hope that in my future videos I'll improve so that we both can enjoy the results. You know, so I'm still better than enough people, do you know? So all the people then will come in the comments and at diss me. Make sure they can challenge me and try recreate it on Instagram and tag me by just another dreamer. May I give another props, man? Hey, not gonna lie, as I'm rich here, so I wonder what the hell is this? This never look like Chucky.
Oh my God! What is that?
Like, guys, I couldn't continue like I was actually drawing him. So I chose to cover up for myself by acting like he influenced me. Yeah, I totally didn't intend to draw Chucky. I drew little Chuck. There you go, guys. Like, me know say in a look good. Like, me know. Well, I think it's reasonable for someone who hasn't drawn or practiced in so long, but I don't think it's that bad. But tell me in the comments. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye.